Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on these lights that I bought. I bought a pack of 2 and I got them on sale on Amazon. And yeah, let's just open it up. It comes with a cute little bag. Oh, it's actually in the bag. So it comes like this. So there's the manuals and things. There's the actual light. And plug and charger. It comes with 2 stands, and I'll just open this one up. So it literally looks like this, and I will put it all together and show you in a minute. Okay, so here are the lights fully assembled, and you can make it taller. Let's switch them on. Okay, so you literally plug it into here, and there's the on and off buttons. You can put 2 batteries in if you want to make it portable without the plug, which I'm gonna get. I haven't got it yet. Okay, so let's switch this on. There we go. And I think you can just play around with the white lights and the yellow lights and the brightness at the back with the little dials. Okay, all in all, I think they're a good set of lights with the battery option as well. And I got it for £125, I think, on Amazon. It was on sale. And yeah, I think it'll be really good for everything that I do. Thank you.